If you've got an old car, chances are your headlights may have ended up like this. As you can see, they've sort of hazed over and they're pretty ineffective. Now I've tried two methods so far to clean these back to a sort of promised restored finish that it said on the tin, and as you can see, well, you know, we're back to this horrible milky, cloudy, whatever finish you want to call it. Now the headlights in this car are bi-xenons. Now whether they generate more heat than your average halogen, well, maybe they do, but the end result is this. Now, so if you've got similar tired headlights, what I'm about to do may work for you, and it might work for me too, because I've got no idea if this is going to work. Impulse purchase Facebook, this product here from Peak Chemicals. Now they've got a little video on Facebook that shows pretty much one-touch application to sort these headlights out. So I thought I'm going to give that a go. So I ordered some, and it's arrived, and it's just in this little sachet here. And apparently this says, removes yellowing and haziness, improves nighttime visibility, 1 packet equals 2 to 3 vehicles. So let's have a go. Now you need a soft cotton cloth, and I have that. I have resurrected from the mysteries of the washing machine. What's that? Don't give up your day job. Yeah, okay. Anyway, me and chap here are going to sort this out. So you put it onto your cloth, and essentially you just rub it onto the headlight. Now apparently they said that it doesn't matter. I read a lot of the questions, and people were saying, what happens if you get it on the paintwork? Well, apparently that doesn't matter. Now as you can see, that has made quite a bit of a difference. Now I don't think I'm going to get away with one application. I think it might take more than that. And as you can see there, I think inside there's possibly the direct effect of the globe on that, or possibly something's been spilt on there. I'm not too sure, because these aren't obviously glass, these are like the polycarbonate lenses. But that's just one application. Now that's noticeably better. Now there's definitely an issue there, but I would say that is internal. That's an internal fogging that's occurred there, and I don't think any amount of rubbing is going to do that. It's going to fix that. But if we then pan over to the other side here and compare them with what that one looks like, I think there's actually a marked difference. So yeah, I can be a bit of a sucker for an impulse purchase, but this seems to be 25 bucks well spent. Peak Chemicals, $24.95, delivered to your door. Sorted my old headlights out. Sweet.